Look around. Can't really see. Oh, so this is. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Ah, there's a wind tunnel of snow, like a funnel spinning. I don't know if you guys can see that in the snow. So we had a blizzard here in Boston, Massachusetts, and everybody's struggling. The store is actually open, and I know some people today, they actually had to go to work. Can you believe this? So, what's today's date? Today is Tuesday, the 27th of January. So yeah, and I'm headed over there to that store here, but I just wanted to take some footage of what's going on. Oh, Nico, say hi, Nico. This is my traveling buddy for today. He's all packed up, looking like a little man. I didn't bring my gloves. What's going on? I forgot. I'm not going back up. Alright. Is it? Car's broken down? How do we get over? How do we get across the bank? Alright, we're just gonna have to do this, right? I guess. Oh! 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 Oh my god. The snow's soft, so I might fall through. I hope not. Hope not. Careful, Nico. Oh! Oh! Get to, oh my gosh! I can't believe, look at this. This is awesome. I'm just freezing though. Wow! Down the street. Oh my gosh, look at the tracks. My hands are frozen. Rock solid. Hey Nico, we're standing in the middle of the street. What's going on? Where are the cars? There's one. Everybody's walking down the street because we have to. Train track and bag. Gosh. Yeah, do you want to play snowman? Want to build a snowman?